you wearing outside this summer? Because it's hot, and we know, honey, all of the events take place in the summertime and in the heat. So, cousin, I have 7 outfit ideas for you to wear to all the shindigs this summer. So, honey, if this is something you're interested in, baby, keep on watching. Hey, cousins, welcome back to the channel. Hey, y'all, welcome back. So excited for y'all to be here. And in today's video, we are talking about summertime outfits and look that you can wear, honey. Because as we know, the majority of the events that go on outside, woo, and it be hot, okay? And you want to be cute, you want to be sexy, you want to be chill, right? But honey, I have some inspiration for you today. And guess what, y'all? This came straight from my good old closet, okay? So in none of these outfits I recently purchased, but there are a few links that's still available. So to the outfits that's not available, I did go in and link similar outfits for you guys, just in case you need to pick you up a couple, 2, 3 pieces, honey, while you going to your shindigs this summer. Let's go ahead and jump straight into this video, cousins. It's summertime and we are going a number of different places. And just as women in general, honey, we want to be comfortable and cool in the summertime. So let's go ahead and look at outfit number 1, which is a cute pink dress that I actually picked up from Target. Y'all, this dress is super comfortable. And really quick, let me just give y'all my specs and measurements for any of my new cousins. In real life, y'all, my height is 5'5", and I typically wear a 22, 24 in my clothing, just depending on where it comes from, because y'all know sometimes we got to size up, we got to size down, and just, you know, just depending on where you buy it from. And if you guys see me in heels, I'm typically wearing probably about a 5 to 6 inch heel, just so that you guys know. But at this present moment in my life, I'm in my comfortable girl era, so I am wearing a lot of sneakers, okay? Now let's go ahead and get into the first look. So this first look is a cute little pink dress that I picked up from Target. I love this little dress because you can dress it up or dress it down. Now, of course, right here, y'all, I was at an event and their theme was actually pink. So this dress went perfectly. It's a ribbed-like material. It's very soft. It's nothing that's going to be see-through, and I'm actually wearing a 3X in this dress. I want to say the brand that actually made the dress is Ava and Viv. That is the Target line that's at Ava and Viv. And if you guys know, they typically go up to a 4X, which is like a 28 in that line. So the variety is very good for all sizes as well. Now, I personally just went in and paired this with my Nike Dunks, low top Dunks, because y'all know I'm a dunk girl, with the little leopard prints that's off in there, and also a few other colors, just to kind of give the dress a little character, a little honey to go along with it. And then I paired this with my top handle, a creamish color Aldo bag with the gold trimmings off in it. Now, I of course just stuck with this basic jewelry on this, just gold jewelry, earrings, and also watch as well. Now, the sunnies that you guys see that I have on, this is another pair of my favorite sunnies that I picked up from Amazon. And yes, child, my hair is totally different. So for all my cousins who don't know, I do kind of frequently switch my hairstyle as well. Now, the type of braids that I'm actually wearing, this is like the bob boho braids. These are very popular in the summertime, and they keep you cool, your scalp cool, and all of the things. So if you have not tried them, I do recommend that you try the bob boho braids. And of course, y'all know 61327 is my color. So that is the color in these braids. Now, this next look, it came from Target as well. Honey, I love this dress too. So we will start actually with the straps. The straps on this dress, y'all, are actually detachable. So you can actually wear this dress as a halter dress if you did not want to wear it with the straps on it, which I absolutely love. Now, it is long on me because I am 5'5", so if you are one of my taller cousins, then you know it's not going to quite fall as long on you. Now in the breast area where the halter is, it is that scrunchy type of material. Now honey, I can't think of the name right off my word, but y'all know what I'm talking about. It's got the little stretch in it, a little pool in it, okay? The material right there, so that definitely makes it comfortable as well. Because you know, sometimes when you wear a halter, it can kind of, if the material is not stretchy enough, it'll like dig into your skin a little bit. That's another one of the things that I love about this dress too. The second thing I love about this dress is, baby, it's got pockets. Hey, pockets. Okay, the dress has pockets in it, baby, and y'all know we love us a little 1-2 number with some pockets on them. And I will say that the pockets are pretty deep with this dress. Now y'all, this particular dress I did pick up last year during like the springish summer time. So this exact color and style is no longer available at Target, but there are an array of dresses that actually fit this style and that are comfortable, and also the flowiness, honey, in this dress. Now for me, I just actually went in and paired these with my black sandals that I picked up from Torrid about over a year ago. They are the thong type sandal, but they have that cushion in them, so they're very good to be able to walk in. If y'all don't know, I do wear a size 12, 13 in shoes. So for all my Bigfoot baddies out there, hey girl. I do wear a size 12. Now this bag, y'all, I think I picked this bag up from like the beauty supply house or somewhere like that. It's just a crossbody black bag that has a flap over on it. I thought that would pair perfect with this dress. But the most things that I actually love is the way that you can transition from the straps to a halter. It also has pockets and the flowiness of this dress, honey. Our next look is going to be this short set jumpsuit. Now this is a denim jumpsuit, y'all, that I picked up from Target again, and I actually have never even worn this jumpsuit. As I was going through my closet, I was like, girl, this jumpsuit still got the tag on it. But then when I'm going through my closet, y'all, found a bunch of stuff that still had tags on it too, okay? And I'm sure y'all like that too, don't be playing. But this jumpsuit, y'all, came from the Future Collective at Target. Now this is a denim jumpsuit. Now it also zips up, and it has buttons where you can snap in after you zip up the dress. When the little flap over, there are buttons there that you can actually go in and snap. It does go all the way up. Of course, honey, listen, it's hot outside, so we're not zipping it all the way up like that, all right? Now, with the belt, you guys, the belt is actually detachable, so you don't have to wear the jumpsuit with the belt. Now, I really feel like you can wear this jumpsuit to like a cookout. It's giving cookout vibes. It's giving I'm chilling with the family type vibes or whatever. It is very roomy, believe it or not, even though it is a denim. Now, I will tell y'all this. It does not have stretch in it. It don't have stretch in it. I'm gonna say it again. It don't have stretch in it. Now, I have on a 3X, and you guys can see that it is roomy for me. But if you are desiring a little bit more room, I am gonna tell you to go in and size up. As I always tell y'all, honey, I got a lot of legs, hips, thighs, and surprise at the back, okay? So just to let y'all know, this is how it's actually fitting on me, and I love the fit on me. Now, I probably would wear this without the belt, just kind of depending on how I'm feeling that day. Now, I didn't do a whole lot of accessorizing with this look. I just went, honey, and found my little pink slides that I picked up from Torrid. These slides are no longer available, y'all. Okay, they're no longer available at Torrid. But I picked up these slides and just popped them on with this look. Now, of course, you can go in and put some sneakers on with it. I also feel like this is a good piece to transition over into the fall with, because, baby, you can put you on some thigh-high boots. Ow! Baby, and be really sexy in some thigh-high boots with this particular look. Baby, y'all have to let me know what y'all think about that down in the comments, okay? Let me know what y'all think about that down in the comments. Would you transition this over into the fall to be sexy in your shorts and your boots? Now you can even put a little tight on the skin flesh tights, honey. Put your little tight on for those y'all that don't like to show too much of your leg. Put you on a little thigh high boot, baby. You can work this for the fall too, okay? But y'all, overall, I give this jumpsuit a 10 out of 10. It is a semi-thick material when it comes to this particular denim. So keep that in mind. It's heavy, kind of thickish, but not heavy, kind of thickish, just the feel of it. And I want to say that Target has like a couple more other colors with this as well. The Future Collective typically goes up to a size 4X, which is like a 28-ish in their clothes. Honey, denim is in the cards for this summer. This is a denim piece that I love. I have actually only worn this piece one time since I bought it. I picked up this denim piece from Ashley Stewart's. And if you guys know nothing else, I'm pretty sure that you are seeing that the vest style pant sets and short sets, or even just wearing the vest alone paired with a skirt or something else, is very much so trending this year in fashion. So guess what? Even though I bought this like over a year ago, girl, it fit right in on time, okay? Now the material on this is very light. It is very light. I am wearing a size 26 in the pants and a size 24 in the vest, because these two are sold as separates. They're not sold as like a complete set. So if you guys need to mix and match your bottoms like I did, you absolutely can. I got a 26 because y'all already know, honey, I got a lot of legs, thighs, hips, and surprise at the back. So I had to make sure that I was comfortable. Now, I will say I typically don't wear shapewear with my denim, but I put on my light compression shapewear with this one just to kind of give me a smoothing look all the way down, because the material is not as thick as, you know, typical denim is. So I wanted to make sure that I was just still smoothing. Now with the pants, I will say that the pants are very much so tall girl friendly, because y'all, I do have on a about 5.5-inch heel with these pants, and if y'all can see, they are still very long. They even cover my shoes. So just imagine if I did not have on heels with this, how the pants would be dragging on the floor. Now these are a what's the word I'm looking for, y'all? Cargo style. That's what I was trying to get out. Cargo style type pants. Now one of the pockets is not real. The second pocket, it is real. Don't really think that you all will be putting anything inside of the pockets, but I just wanted to come and let you all know that, okay? When it comes to this denim piece. This denim piece, I actually am going to show you guys another clip of when I wore this denim piece. I went in and actually paired the vest with the camo pants and did like chunky jewelry with it. Was another little style swap that I did just to kind of show you how you can go in and style this look, which I think is super, super cute, right? And I put on my burgundy and white dunks with this particular look, and then I believe I just had just a crossbody bag to go in and play this off. So honey, y'all already know, honey, we like to do style swaps over here, honey, and remix our clothes, because we get a good wear out of our clothing, okay? But this particular set is not available at Ashley's, but they have several different sets. One that I am actually eyeing right now, and it is a skirt set, which I'm going to show you guys the picture, and it is bad. And I ran to the store, because I have a local one here, to see if this skirt set was in the store, honey, and it is in the store, and I tried it on, and I just want to let y'all know it fit like it should be fitting, okay? So just in case this is your style, I love this vest and also the skirt set as well. So this is another option that you can actually pick up right now on the Ashley Stewart's website or in store if there is one that is local to you. I love this particular vest matching sets. Here, honey, I call it the cookout look. This is the look where we going outside with this summer, okay? And I love this look. It's super cute and casual, and I know that y'all can wear this look outside at the cookout, honey. You might even have your little glass of wine or something in your hand while you out there kicking it with your people, all right? Now this white tank actually came from Walmart. You guys may have seen this before here on the channel. I put this white tank in the capsule wardrobe video. Shameless plug, if y'all ain't watched it, go back and watch the capsule wardrobe video, okay? But it is a size 3X that I'm wearing this tank in, very stretchy. The tank comes in a number of colors, which I personally went in and picked up the black, the navy, and there's like a yellowish color that Walmart has on the site that you can go in. Now I paired it with the shorts. The shorts is the star of the show, okay? The shorts is the star of the show. These jeweled shorts I have never worn. I picked these shorts up from Ashley Stewart's. And I've never worn these shorts. I do have them in a size 26 because there is absolutely no stretch in these shorts. But I love the design of these shorts, y'all. They're so cute. So cute and also so fun as well. As you can see, I love the silver studded trimming around right at the very bottom of the shorts, which I thought was chef's kiss as well, just to be able to go in and add some extra detail. And as you guys can see, it has the distressed right here at the bottom. So if you have a lot of legs, hips, and surprise at the back like I do, please go in and size up, not sign up. Because there's absolutely no stretch in these jeans. Now, of course, this bag, y'all, I don't know where I got this crossbody bag from. I'm pretty sure y'all like me, and I just have like this box where I have like different purses and little crossbodies, and I just went off in there, honey, and I just pulled it back. It's not really a box. It's more of like a tub with all type. Girl, don't judge me. Don't judge me. With all type of little bags and stuff that's off in there. So I was like, this goes well with this. And I did it as a crossbody. Yes, you can wear it as a fanny pack. That's typically what it is a fanny pack. But I thought the silver studded went well with the jewels. And then, of course, I just accessorized it with silver jewelry as well with this look. And as far as shoes, y'all, my colorful dunks. To wear, which I felt paired very well with the jewels that were actually in the pants. So this is what I call the cookout look, honey. It's the cookout look. And then, of course, I did go in and pair this with my favorite sunnies that I picked up from Amazon. Y'all, I love these glasses. I actually got them in different shades as well. Cousins, you guys have to let me know, how did you guys like this daily style edit? Just giving you some style inspiration that you can wear to different gatherings, concerts, family events as you are out and about this summer. And I feel like all of these pieces, y'all, will keep you cool. You can be comfortable. You can wear shapewear with them. I would recommend wearing a breathable shapewear such as I do. It's just a light compression. It's nothing that's just going to hold you super tight. And I will have that link below as well, but it'll just keep you smooth in your clothing, y'all. So let me know, talk to me down in the comments, give me some feedback. Girl, yes, I would wear this. Or girl, I got something like that in my closet. This may work, this may not work. Whatever your thoughts are, y'all. And of course, as always, I definitely will talk back to you. And as y'all already know, honey, it is time to what? Shop the closet. So you can definitely go in and scan the QR code right here on the screen and shop any of these looks or similar looks to these that I have on in this video. I will have everything linked down below as well, cousins. So as I tell y'all all the time, honey, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, baby, and make sure that you do what? Honey, make sure that you own it. Why? Because you belong there. All right, I'll talk to y'all later, cousins. Bye, y'all.